How to report typos on Kindle. Step-by-step guide. Step 1. Identify the typo or error. While reading your Kindle book, watch for any typos, formatting issues, or errors you encounter. Step 2. Press and hold on the typo. When you find a typo or error, press and hold your finger on the word or area where the mistake is located. A menu should appear around the selected text. Step 3. Access the Options menu. After selecting the typo, look for 3 dots, an ellipsis, to the far right of the options. These dots indicate additional actions you can take. Tap on the 3 dots to open the menu. Step 4. Select Report Content Error. Now tap the Report Content Error option to proceed. Step 5. Answer questions about the error. A list of options will appear like typo, missing text, duplicate text, punctuation, etc. If it is a typo, select Typo and provide the necessary information. This step is crucial as it helps the author pinpoint the exact issue. Step 6. Submit the report. Once you've provided the necessary information about the error, tap the Submit button to send your report to the author. Then, you will receive a confirmation message indicating that your error report has been submitted successfully. Repeat if necessary. Feel free to repeat this process if you encounter more typos or errors in the same book or other Kindle books. It's a satisfying feeling to know you're helping improve the reading experience for yourself and others. Note: be mindful of frequent reports. Amazon may flag it if you and many other readers report errors in the same book. Potential buyers will receive a warning message about formatting errors before purchasing the book.